Repotting two of my 2-year-olds. This one is not a seedling cutting. But I repotted it and wired it a little bit last year. But I think it can use a little bit more movement. Plus I want to check the roots. This is a 2-year-old seedling cutting. Very healthy. Buds very close to the roots. This is the main difference when you do this seedling cutting and you don't. You eliminate a lot of space from where the first buds are going to be at to the roots. Yeah, not very healthy. Almost no mycorrhiza. Just a little bit. Root system it's not really circular, so I'm going to try to make an exposed root type style out of it. Definitely won't cut the roots. I'm just going to repot it. Sheetrock tape. Here we all wired up. And some of these roots tight close together. Might make a nice exposed root. Gotta make sure I get that movement in low on the trunk. And grow it out till these bends are almost touching. Let's start reducing the sacrifice branch. Yeah, I'm going to put it in a funnel. That way all these roots grow straight down. Then start bifurcating. Yeah, I'll slowly expose the roots as time goes on. They get bigger. Should work out nice. And this is a very healthy seedling cutting. Didn't look like it had a very nice circular root base. Got a lot of mycorrhiza though. Very nice. I got a chance to look at it. It'll probably be a nice exposed root also. Just gonna wire some of these roots closer together. Get some bends in the trunk. Not gonna cut the roots too much. I think I snipped like 1 or 2. Yeah, this is a nice start right here. And we'll just plant it in a cylinder. Make sure all these roots are growing downward. Yeah, I like these angles. Here we are, potted up. Some nice little low buds there. Some good options for later on. And back to the bench.